Hey everyone, welcome to another video. This is a long awaited video. I was supposed to film a long time ago and I just didn't get to it, so I'm gonna get to it now. So the first one is gonna be an unboxing of a giveaway that I won from Marlene Milestones. I'll put all the information in the description box below. And then another one, this one here, is going to be an unboxing of CVNails. She gave me some of these products here. I'm gonna go over them and I'm gonna tell you why she gave this to me. So let's get to the first one. Okay, so this is the first one. Let me see. I'm gonna try and see if I can just put up the, let me zoom this out. Hold on, I didn't check my settings on here. Sorry. Closer. Okay, so the first one here is from Marlene Milestones. I'm gonna try to put something either here or here. If not, I'm gonna put it down below, the information. So don't mind my nails. Okay, so this one, if you can see, if you're following me on Instagram, this hand right here, I had used the Velez gel nails hard gel system, and then they were so long and I had them oval, but it was too long for me, so I had to just cut them down a little bit. And over here I'm using the poly gel. I believe it's from McCart. I'll put it down below too. And then I just already, as you can see, started picking at it. I'm a picker, it bothers me. So let's get into this unboxing. So this was a giveaway that I had won that she was doing, I believe, on Instagram. So yes, so this was back for Christmas time. I know we're in March right now. So this was just a little note from her. It says, thank you for supporting my small business. And I'm gonna open this up. I haven't opened it yet. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, so she said we could like customize it with our name. So I just chose like the Velez family. It was supposed to be, I was going to like gift this to someone and just put the name, but that didn't work out. So I ended up just leaving it as the Velez family, and it's gonna be for like the kids. So this is like, I'm not really sure what to call it. So I'm gonna put down her link and everything so you could go and check it out on her page. But basically this is like, I guess, a plate where it would be for Santa, and you would put a drink. It says drink in case you're thirsty, treats, a snack for you, and then reindeer snacks. So this is so cute. You know, the kids are little and stuff, they want to put things out for Santa if you celebrate Christmas and everything. So I think this is so cute, right? You just make your snacks and put the drink there and then put it down somewhere so that Santa can have it, and then you put either, you can customize it with your name. So if it's for a child or a specific child or something, I like the whole Velez family in case it's like a family thing where you guys do, you can do your own last name, I guess, there. And then it says, Dear Santa. This is so pretty. If you see it, it's like glittery. This camera's not doing it justice at all, but let me see if you can see there. It's so cute. This is like, I'm not sure if this is like real wood. I assume it is. It feels so nice. It's nice and smooth. And then in the back, it's like this. So this is the giveaway. I like this. This is so cute. Now I feel like I have to put it somewhere really safe, like in a nice frame or something, and keep it from breaking or stuff. But thank you so much. Please go and share some love and support to Marlene Milestones. I'm gonna put all her information, her Instagram and TikTok down below, and go and show her some love. Okay, she does a lot more other things like children's and babies milestones, like 1 month and up, going up to everything, with like onesies and many different things. So please go and check her out. I'm gonna put her information down below, and this was the giveaway. Okay, now next up we have this package from CVNails. So I was up late like one of these nights, like long ago, like I always am. since it's hard for me to go to sleep. So I was up and I noticed that CVNails put up like a post stating that she wanted to get in contact with someone that can help do a design for like a rebranding of her business. So I'm always like, for my own thumbnails and or for my videos and certain things like that, or for pictures, any little things that I like to do and play around with, I use certain editing apps and stuff like that. I've been working on my new re-entries, intro videos and outros, things like that. So I just started playing around in Canva and stuff and just created a few different logos. That's what she was looking for, actually, a logo, a new logo for her line and her brand. So I just started playing around. Let me stop talking while I'm moving this around. So I just started playing around with a few of them, and then I just kind of just sent it to her like, hey, look, I don't know, she didn't put anything of what she had wanted or what she liked. I just kind of looked at what she had at that moment and what she put on her website, and then just kind of just was playing around with it. It took me a few minutes. It wasn't long at all. And I came up with about 4 or 5 different concepts and stuff for a new logo, and just kind of sent it over to her like, hey, if you like these, you can have these. And she loved the designs that I had made and just offered to send me some products. So I just want to say thank you so much for her sending this. She didn't have to. I didn't do it to get anything. I just kind of was up late, couldn't sleep, just kind of did it. And I don't really usually do those things for anyone else. It's just kind of for myself, something that I just play with and stuff. So yeah, so after I sent her them, she liked them, she posted them up. I'll put a picture, try to put one somewhere here if I can. If not, I'll link it down below. It's also I'll also, I believe, put it on my Instagram stories at that time. So I'll definitely try to put a picture here and there so you can see the different ones that I made for her and go and check her out. So she does have nail products that she does sell on her website, so you can go and check her out at CVNails. I'll put everything down below as well with her Instagram, so you can, and her TikTok, so you can go and check her out. Okay, this is very protected. I like that. Let me get my scissors. Okay. Oh, so cute. Oh yes, she started doing like these scratch off things. I think this is so cute. This is such a nice idea. So you scratch it off and you can either win, I believe, like some % off on your purchases or free gifts, things like that. So she wrote a little note there for me. Thank you. I appreciate you, Christine. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you so much. And yes, oh, look at these colors. Okay. So this is her logo that she had before, and just says CVNails. So this is Pink Drink. Let's open that so you can see. Ooh, look at that pink. Can you see? No, this camera is not helping. Let's see if I can dim my light. Nope, dim it. Oh, maybe that looks a little better. This pink is so pretty. Let me know if you want to see some swatches. I'm most likely definitely going to swatch this and put it on my Instagram. And then this one is Daydreams. She had asked me to if I had a favorite color or anything like that, because she had wanted to send me something, and I told her, listen, just send me whatever you want. Like, I'm not picky. You can just send whatever you would like. I'm more than happy to try out any product. And this is a nice little purple. This is so pretty. This light is not doing it justice at all, I swear. Like, you can't really see it. So I'm definitely gonna do some swatches. And then this is Black Night. I love me some black. Oh, this is nice. It looks like a matte black because I don't see any shimmer, just little bit. The other ones have a lot of shimmer, you can see it. And then this doesn't say anything on the bottom. Oh, this is so cute. Little purple snowflakes. Thank you for supporting my small business sticker inside. That's so cute. I've never seen that been done before. That is so nice. That's cute. Okay, so this was from CVNails. And yeah, so I'm gonna put all her information down below. Please go and check her out. And thank you so much, Christina, again, for sending me this. I truly appreciate you. So yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. Don't forget to go and check her out. I'm going to put all her information down below with her website, so you can go and get some of these nice products. She has tons of different products on there too, so trust me, if you do nails, you need some acrylics, things like that, go and check her out. So this is going to be the end of the video. If you guys want to see anything else, please let me know. I'm trying to see if I'm going to put out what kind of other video I'm going to put out. I don't think it's going to be another nail video. It's probably going to be another makeup video or something. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye.